Lisa, are you dozing off? Hey, I'm speaking to you. Lisa, this is your last warning. Wake up now.
Dad, just 5 more minutes of sleep, please.
Lisa, we're in math class. I'm not your dad.
Oh, my apologies. Good morning, Mr. Coons.
Morning, Lisa. Why are you sleeping at school? Lisa, see me after the lesson, please.
All right, Mr. Coons.
The rest of the class can take a break. Lisa, stay behind. Lisa, come over here now. Lisa, why were you sleeping during class?
I'd rather not say.
Is the lesson too dull for you, Lisa?
No, it's for another reason.
Then what is it? You can share it with me.
I can't.
All right, then I'll need to inform your parents.
No, please don't.
I'm afraid I must. Now, take your break. Good day, Mrs. Peters. This is Mr. Coons, Lisa's German teacher.
Good morning, Mr. Coons. May I know the reason for your call?
Could you visit the school today? I need to discuss something about Lisa.
Certainly. Is something wrong? I'm a bit concerned.
It's better if we discuss this face to face.
I'll be there shortly. On my way to the school now. I hope everything's fine with Lisa. Here's the school. I have to hurry.
Mom, why are you here?
Your teacher, Mr. Coons, wants to speak with me. Is everything all right, Lisa?
I think Mr. Coons doesn't like me.
I'll handle this. Stay here for now.
Okay, thank you, Mom.
Hello, Mr. Coons.
Good to see you, Mrs. Peters. Thanks for coming.
What's going on? Lisa told me you don't like her.
What? Of course, I like Lisa. That's not the issue.
Then what's the matter?
Lisa dozed off during class today.
That's unusual. We made sure she went to bed early.
I'd suggest speaking with Lisa again.
I will. Thank you for informing me, Mr. Coons. Honey, did you put Lisa to bed on time yesterday?
Yes, I did. Why do you ask?
Because she fell asleep in school today.
Oh no, I have something to confess.
What is it?
Lisa and I stayed up late watching another series yesterday.
That won't happen again.
I promise it won't. I'm putting Lisa to bed early tonight. Lisa, you're sleeping early today.
Can we watch just one episode?
Fine, but only one episode and no more. Who is responsible for Lisa's lack of sleep? A. Her father. B. Her mother. C. Her teacher.
Thanks for watching.